So hello there everyone, welcome back to another video. So today we are going to see few of the most useful free add-ons in Blender that will save you a lot of time from cleaning your mess or errors in your mess or like many modifications you can do to your mess to save you a lot of time. So let's not waste much time here and let's get started. So at the very first we have Voxel Cleaner. It's a free add-on that you can get in Gumroad. I will leave a link to it in the description. It will just clean your mess very easily. For example, as you can see, I have got a cube here and I have just subdivided its surface very badly. Okay, if you see, it's like a very messed up surface. It's not clean at all. So if you just want to clean all the surfaces without doing the hard work yourself, you can just go and download the voxel cleaner from the Gumroad and go to edit, preferences, install, and then select whichever zip file you got for voxel cleaner, and it will be right there for you. And just press the tick here. Okay, check it. And then if you press N to open the menu here, you can go to vox cleaner and there will be edit. Just swap out from your edit mode. Okay, first. So then you will see option here called clean model. Just press tab, wait for a second or two, and then there will be a backup created automatically of the model you want to clean, so that if something goes bad with the model you can easily get back to it. And as you can see, here is the bad one and this is the new one that was created. See, all cleaned up, all the extra vertices, useless words were automatically cleaned out. So I think this will save you a lot of cleaning time and removing the extra vertices that will be present in between while modeling some dense model. And just a point of advice, sometimes it will give little bad results in some areas, like some n-gons will be there, but you can easily fix them. It will save you a lot of time from doing the whole work, rather than it will decrease all the work into just small parts which you can just fix out the errors afterwards. Most probably it won't cause any errors, but if there is, you can just manually fix them, which is far better than manually fixing the whole object. So this is the first one and it will save you a lot of time. The second one is power save. It will save you a lot of time from going back to a previous model to newer model. It will just create a variation of your save file rather than going to file, save as, and creating many variations of save file one by one of different iterations of your object. You can just go and install and the add-on from, like same as I shown you before, like from preferences, and just install it from here. Then you will see a save option here, like it will be red initially. Just go power save, it will automatically save the file here. Now every time you just power save, it will create a variation of this save. Suppose I just do a little bit edit here, suppose I just move it here and then press Ctrl S, so this will be another variation. If I just press this arrow button back, see, it goes to the previous variation. Again I go to the next variation. See, it will save you a lot of time and it will be very helpful for you to create many variations of your object and save files. And I hope this will save you a lot of time going back or doing re-edits and all. Okay, the third add-on I would like to tell is Coursero add-on. It's free in Gumroad. He has already made a few very useful add-ons in his Gumroad page, which you can just go and visit there and see. And there is a free variation which consists of a package of all the free add-ons which are already present. You can just download that package and install. Then you will get an option like here, as I will show you. Like for example, you have an object and you want to edit, just press tab and then right click, you will see the add-ons here. Like you can just, many variations are there, like shatter cut, quick bridge, quad source, face regulator, cut corners, connect faces, and many other free add-ons is already included, which will save you a lot of time in editing your models. The fourth one is a non-destructive add-on by Menace. I hope I pronounced it correctly. So this add-on is very helpful for you and it will save you a lot of time, and it will give you many type of utilities and tools which you already need. For example, you can see here is a bevel option to bevel out the faces, like bevel it, and you can just drag and drop and just move the values. Many add-ons are, many settings are also there, like shift, control, alt. You can just modify different variables or various parts of this bevel. Another one is like very useful one, which is I find it very useful, is the array modifier. Wait, let me just show you. It's in replicate and it's circular array. you can easily create circular arrays here. You know, circular array creation is a little bit pain. So you have to create a array, then do the offset and these things. Another method is by using a curve. You need to apply the array modifier, then get a curve, then in the array modifier object use the curve modifier, then do all the different things to get it well set. So it will save you a lot of time. Just go and just click circular array, and there are many variables also which you can change, like angle, offset, rotation, many things, which will save you a lot of time here. And many others are also there, like deform, simplify, shading, boolean operations are also there. So you can just go and look through this. There are many interesting features also, and it's free and in Gumroad. So I will leave a link to it in the description. So the fifth add-on which I find very useful is the pin words add-on, which you can find in Gumroad. I will leave you the link to it in the description. So according to this, just it's a very basic add-on, like it can just show you by doing some loop cuts here. And suppose I select these words and these words, and I just want to edit just these words only. You can just do pin selected words here. As you can see, it will just give you option here, and then all the words will be logged in its position, and you can do anything. You can just move them. You can even use your proportional editing also to move it. Other vertices won't be affected by this, and only the vertices which are not pinned, they will be only affected. I think this will be very helpful for you to do some specific type of edits, like creating curves and all. As you can see, as I can easily do it right now, like just selecting this too, I can just move it up. I can easily create some curved surfaces, see, which might be a little bit difficult in some areas, but it is very useful here. And to unselect all the vertices, you just need to go pin unselected vertices. Okay, these are the 5 useful add-ons which I find very useful. There are many others also which I will tell you about in the upcoming future, and I hope this was very helpful to you. And as you have seen, I have improved my audio quality, as many people have asked me that the audio was not good and it was harsh to hear in previous tutorials. So I hope this audio will be very much easy to hear and not harsh on your ears. So many more tutorials are coming. I have taken a pause for a month before so that I can improve the things, but I've got many ideas to teach you, so get ready. There are many Unity tutorials coming up. I will create a series on some pickups and power-ups, which will be the next series. And that's all for today, and happy to have you all, and thanks for 400 plus subscribers, and see you all in next video. Okay, bye, have a great day.